So I'll just start this video from the exit point of the beach, which is just beyond here. This is the road here, leads up into the centre of Khao Lak. It takes about 5 minutes to walk up. I'll just do a walk down this road, just give you an idea of what can be found here. So this is directly behind the Nang Thong Bay Resort. You can see the sea just through the trees here, so you're only around about 40 metres away from the sea at this point. And we'll just walk down. This road just runs parallel to the back of the beach. It's probably, well, it's the rear access to some of the hotels. But there are a few bars and restaurants dotted along here, which I'll just highlight when we pass. I apologise for the squeaking, it's just my flip-flops. I just had a massage and the oil's rubbing on the flip-flops. This road does come to a dead end, and then you can access the beach again. So the first hotel you'll pass is the Leaf, Oceanside. It's here. I'll do a walking tour of this later. I had a look around the other day. It's quite a nice hotel. It's the same company that run the Waters, which is located on just off the beach behind the night market on the other side of Khao Lak. It's kind of like designed in a similar kind of vein. We pass here the Seaview Resort Khao Lak. I think this is split into two sides. Up here is reception. Okay, reception area. And just over here, I'll just walk you through to the pool so you can have a look. Oh, lovely breeze here. The rooms. Yeah. Looks like they're doing a little bit of maintenance here, low season, so makes perfect sense. There's your pool, and directly in front of you you'll see the little white lighthouse, which is kind of like central to the beach walk. Okay, over there, I'll just walk through anyway. I think this is going to be the bar restaurant area. This isn't hotel review, by the way, it's just a walk through of the grounds. It's just nice to get a general layout of the area and what's here. Yeah, this looks like a bar, would be a bar area and a food area in more high season. Hello! Hello! Looks like a nice private indoor area for dining. And then back to the pool area. So you're straight on the beach here, as you can see. Spin you around and we'll get back onto the main road again. Time of filming is the first week in June. So it's low season here. The weather still is excellent, hot, early 30s, about 30, 33-ish today. Walking around it feels a bit more with the humidity. I won't go to the other side of the hotel. Like I say, it's not a hotel review, it's just a general walkthrough of the area. Nice little chill out place just to sit. Nice and cool here. And then back onto the road outside. Okay, I'll carry on walking down. Okay, the road doesn't actually go much further, but just to the right here is a lovely selection of restaurants. You've eaten here at one of the restaurants, which I will point out, and the food is absolutely delicious. Thai food. Cafe One Bar, I think it's called. This is the one. They do food to take away as well. Not the biggest of places, but... Hello! There we go, there's a restaurant. Fantastic food here, must admit. Hello! Sandwiches, burgers. Kids food, appetizers. Thai style. Red curry I had. Oh, that was gorgeous. Spicy salads. Which one did I have? I had a spicy salad here once as well. I think this one. Okay. I'll leave that there. So, cafe over. I'd say very small, but the food is absolutely excellent. Another little hotel here. I think this is on two sides as well, but that's the front section. This is the back of the hotel. I'm not going to walk through, I'm just giving you an idea of where it is. There we go. The car parking for the hotel. Straight down here is beach access. My flip-flop to do my head in. And just down here is the end of the road. It's a turning circle. And exiting through the Nang Thong Beach Resort. I'll just walk you through to the sea. If you walk up this road here, through these trees, you can exit onto the main road. It is a proper little walkthrough. It brings you up to the back of Signor. You can actually see traffic here in the distance. It brings you up to the back of Signor hotels, apartments, whatever. And also just to the right, you can just go off this side to the main road access, or this side to Signor apartments. Just walk through to the beach and then I'll conclude the video. Oh, I do apologise about my squeaky flip-flops. As I say, we're in low season now, so it's quite quiet. Not many people around. Yeah, I think there's a pool here, so I'll just walk you through to the pool, to the beach, and then conclude. These are all the accommodations here at this hotel. If I'm right, I think they do surf lessons here as well. Here you go, so you've got the little restaurant area. And just through the trees here we have the pool. Not a lot of shade going on here by the pool. I think it'd be rather hot here. A couple of chairs do have the shade here, but not many. Just go back through this way. And back to the ocean. As soon as you get kind of this far to the sea, you do get that lovely sea breeze, and it's so cool and refreshing. Okay, we've got the sun lounges out, brollies. There's a little bar area. Seating area. And there we have it. Back to the beach. I did a beach walk earlier. You might recognise that big tree there on the walk I did before. It's a red flag day today, but people are still in the sea. Okay, there we go. I'll conclude the video here. Please do like and subscribe. It does help the channel. I do enjoy bringing you this kind of content. When I travel myself, I do like to check out places with people's reviews before I go, so it gives me an idea of what to expect. So this is kind of like an up-to-date review on not so much the hotel, but just a general layout of the area. Okay, thank you for watching.